take the bus to Castle Hill, I was zoned out, thinking of some shit that you could feel. No matter a 9 to 5 or you got dope inside the wheel. This shit is for the hustlers, for real. Habibi makes a lot, still carry his Glock. I'm from the 12 tribes of Judah, straight to stir in the pot. The teacher saw my knot right on the spot and asked me how much was that. And I replied like I don't know, but it's a lot. I made varsity my freshman year. The next is here. The diamonds that I drop and I rock are all extra clear. Made the street nigga Forbes list. Built an empire off of cordless. They know UFO got that rawness. Lawless, adopted by the Moors and talk more shit. My planets in alignment, I don't get knocked into orbit. You gotta want it so much, it makes them forfeit. Ain't scared to even play with the high, we leave them scoreless. And for my next trick, more money appears. It's rare, the real, the cloth we wear. And for my next trick, I make more money appear. The rare, the real, the cloth we wear. And for my next trick, I make more money appear. The rare, the real, the cloth we wear. And for my next trick, I make more money appear. The rare, the real, the cloth we wear. And for my next trick, I make more money appear. The rare, the real, the cloth we wear.
This is one of them joints you gotta turn it up. Listen to it loud, prefer it loud, you know what I'm saying? So like you gotta be able to feel that, man. Real talk.
Lane switching, look, we came from Kane pitching. Every time I drop some new shit, I feel a game shifting.